We got elevated bowls for them. Always cleaning out their water. And then that's another dish pan. I put a little water in that one. But the biggest thing is always make sure they have a ton of food and a ton of clean water, so they just continue to grow and do well. Hi. You can see they're enjoying the food. There's Conway. He's the biggest male right there. There's Willie, Charlene, Dolly, Co, Reba, you guys are eating good. We like to feed Diamond Naturals puppy food. Always had really good success on that. Reba girl. A lot of times when I feed them too, especially when I just start feeding them, I will kick Sandra out of here because I don't want her eating all the food and stuff. The pups. There's big boy Conway. He was 16 pounds at the checkup. I think he's probably about 20, 21 now. This is Dolly. She's a big female, long hair. There's Willie. He's the last male available. We should have named him Hank Jr. because he's literally got the exact same markings as Hank. There's Sandra Mama. Hey. This is what you want to see. You want to make sure everybody's eating good. They're all getting nice and plump. You guys gonna come up for air? There you go, Dolly girl. Reba. A lot of times people ask us too, like, how do you know all the dogs, they all look alike? When you've been around them for 8 weeks, from the time they came out of their mom till the time they're, you know, a large puppy, you just get to know their personalities, their markings, everything about them. These guys are beautiful puppies. They turned out great. And then we got a little heated box over there for them, so they can go in there, stay nice and warm. They're already in the barn, so it's pretty warm in here. Oh, Dolly, you are a cutie pie. Look at how cute that dog is. Oh my gosh. And there he is, big old Conway. He knows how much bigger his head is than everybody else's. Well, you got a pretty big head too. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. You guys know I'm talking about you now, don't you? Huh? You know I'm talking about you, don't I? Huh? This is Co. He was actually the smallest one. He was a little under 10 pounds. So if we have a puppy that's a little underweight, we'll actually take them to the side and make sure they're getting plenty of food by themselves. When you have a litter as big as this litter was, which was 12, a lot of times the smaller pups can get pushed out, especially during feeding time. Obviously the mom's only got 8 to 10 nipples most of the time, so you really want to make sure that if you have a pup that is a little bit smaller than everybody else, you take them aside and make sure that they get plenty of nutrients. But, all right, buddy. Hey, Moose. Moose is going down to Georgia. Short hair. Huh. Yeah. Moose. What do you guys think, huh? Huh? What do you guys think, Dolly girl? You're so stinking cute. Yeah. What do you guys think? Huh? Uh-oh. So we're gonna actually let these guys out. Let them play around in the snow here. So just want to do a video of them eating. You can see everybody's getting plenty to eat here at the Coleman farm. Always enough food to go around. All right, guys. Conway. There's Dolly. She's excited to see the other dogs.